Before we have the robots, our main consuming task is going to the kitchen and getting the food for the guests.
Assist the bar staff in doing what they do best, is making drinks rather than having to run to the kitchen to pick up some fries or just some bar meals. They can focus on the bar while the robot takes out the meals and brings it to the bar ready for them to serve it.
It's really saved a lot of time for our staff. We can help increase our customer service to the guests.
There's definitely a benefit there because it's that one person that makes the difference to the service component of what we do, to get those meals out to the people rather than someone has to leave their post and run to the kitchen for a couple of minutes, sort out the meals.
And also help shorten time to do closing and cleaning up.
Look, there's people talking to it as it comes past. The feedback that I'm getting from staff is that, yeah, they're interested in it. And I think the fact that we are trying something new, it's definitely a good thing for the hotel guests as well, that they're seeing that we're trying something different.
So we have a lot of family taking picture of the robot, sharing on social media.
Saving money, yes. Better service, yes. For us, it definitely ticks all the boxes.